All right, so you just click on greenlight, open that up, then so you got all these little features right here. I think you go click on the kid's name. I think it's here, manage the card. Oh no, that's not it. Okay. Oh, manage controls. See that? Then you got right here, spend anywhere, any ATM. If more money is spent than available, it's going to come out. Yeah, you don't want that. Any ATM.
Oh yeah, that would be bad.
So, I think this is where everything is already set up. Any restaurants. What's that? Move in, move out. Okay, so I think what you would have to do is go here, move money in, and then I could move it. Any ATM. See, it looks like it's not available, so I'm going to go ahead and try this. From parents' wallet to any ATM. Oh, I don't have enough. All right, let me just try this. $1. Yeah, okay, so you have to, yeah, you saw what I did.